My dear students, in this session, I am furnishing the most important stock questions for Skill Development course semester 3, namely Poultry Farming. Write an essay on the past and present scenario of poultry industry in our country. Write an essay on the types of poultry housing system. Add a note on systems of poultry farming. Write an essay on the management of layers. Write an essay on the management of broilers. Describe the management of chicks and growers. Write an essay on submission of project proposal for bank loan for poultry. Add a short note on site selection for poultry farming. Write a short note on poultry farm insurance. Add a note on housing principles of poultry. Write an essay on poultry feed and feed formulation. Write an essay on nutritional requirements of poultry birds. List out the feed additives used in poultry. Describe the methods of feed formulation in poultry. Write an essay on poultry diseases. What is MAS, that is mal absorption syndrome in poultry birds? Describe the energy requirements of broilers. Write an essay on care and handling of eggs in poultry. Describe the methods of egg testing. Write about types of brooding. Write an essay on the factors involved in hatching and brooding. Add a note on artificial brooders. Write an essay on cleaning and sanitation of poultry farm. Add a note on hygiene of poultry farm. Explain the methods of sexing of chicks. So these are the most important stock questions for semester 3 poultry farming. Good luck.